Writing captions, blogs, or ad copy taking you ages? What if you could create content 10 times faster without compromising on quality and do it for next to nothing? In today's video, I'll show you how you can achieve that with the help of RYTR. So make sure you stick around for the rest of the video to see how it's done. Let's get started. All right, everyone, as you can see, I'm now logged into. Please make sure you go to app.rytr.me. I only want you to use the official website, so do make sure of that. As you can see, this is how the dashboard appears. As you can see, it's a clean and simple design, nothing complicated, so it'll be very easy to use, and it's obviously great for beginners as well. On the left here, you've got Create, Tools, and then you've got Documents, your RYTR chat, and your history. I'm going to show you how to use all the features I've just pointed out on the dashboard. Right, let's crack on. All right, everyone, so first of all, I'm going to show you the writing features. So what you want to do is come over here to RYTR. You can select your native language just here. So mine is obviously English. You can choose the time. So create now. You can set up your own voice and you can set, for example, a casual tone. Right here, you can also choose the use case. You can see brand name, business idea pitch, cover letter, email, Facebook post, or a blog. And I'm going to select a blog for this one. And then, as you can see, you have the primary keyword and your AI writing assistant. You can also choose how many variants you want, as well as the creativity level. So I'm just going to set mine to optimal and you can say, write for me. All right, everyone. So all you need to do then is fill in the primary keywords. I'm just going to select something. And as you can see, it'll now start writing that. So that's literally how simple it was. It took me 30 seconds to set everything up to write a blog for me. And as you can see, it's already finished. So that's pretty cool. Everyone, as you can see, it already put this together in about 30 seconds in a blog format, just as I asked it to. So if I scroll down here, you can see that it's already included a lot of information for me. You can change the primary keyword to alter some of the content within the blog. So let's go back to the main page and take it from there. All right, everyone, as you can see, we're back on the main page now. So this is the document I've just created, as you can see right here, along with the words it generated. As you can see there, my blog has 472 words, which is pretty cool. So you might be wondering what it actually is. RYTR is an AI writing tool designed to help you create content. It's quick, affordable, and reliable, and it supports over 40 different use cases and more than 30 languages. So you can use it anywhere in the world, and you can use it for a variety of different purposes to create your content in your own language. So I would say the main features of RYTR are definitely the AI-powered blog writer, email writer, ad copy generator, and even product descriptions. And the great thing is that you can change the voice or tone to suit and match your brand, which I think is rather cool and quite unique. I haven't seen any other apps do that, so that's something that's quite impressive. And another brilliant feature is that they've already got a plagiarism checker built in for originality, which I also think is pretty fantastic. So as you can see right here, if we go to tools, you can see that you can set up your voice and sample different voices. And then you also have custom use cases where you can use your voice for various things. All right, everyone. So I would say that RYTR is quite an affordable option, as you can see, because they offer a free plan, whereas most of the other AI writing tools are pricier and don't provide free plans. So that blog I just created, as you can see, was on the free plan. So I can upgrade here to unlimited and move to the paid plan as well. One great thing about RYTR is that it produces content within seconds. It generates high-quality copy in just seconds. This is ideal for small businesses, freelancers, or any content creators or marketers out there. I would say that RYTR is definitely a strong option. And the last thing I'll say about RYTR is that it reduces writer's block and speeds up content creation massively. So honestly, if you're serious about content creation, this is definitely a tool worth checking out. Stop wasting hours thinking about what to write. Let RYT do the hard work for you. Sign up for free today and see how quickly you can create content. Thank you all for watching the video. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Until next time, cheers.